Totally taping that.
That would really hurt if it hit him.
In the water.
What did you do? I missed it. Did it destroy your little man? Did you hit the seaweed man?
What seaweed man?
My sandman.
I don't recall Sandman.
With the seaweed cape?
I remember a clump of sand that I hit with my bat.
Fuck you! Fuck. Get him!
That's a zombie. You know what to do. Push it down and I'll hit it.
I look like a zombie. Oh my god, I used to... Oh, she's filming.